Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I'm a 25-year over-the-road truck driver. I drive now for Tyson Foods. And the description will be my employee code if you want to check and see if Tyson's hiring in your area. But Gooloo reached out to me and asked if they would do a partnership, and they were going to send me a product for to do a review. Now, I do have an affiliate link. I will have it in the description down below. This is a tire inflator. So let's unbox it and see. I should have done this video a little bit sooner. I didn't get this air inflator until after I left the house, and I've been sick for the last week with a sinus. You still hear it but I'm just about done. So let's unbox this tire inflator and let's look at it. The great people at Gooloo sent me a product. I'm now affiliate with them. I will have a link down below. They always have great sales, and if you use my affiliate link when you buy stuff, I might get a few cents on the order. But let's see what Gooloo sent me. I covered up my address. This is the AP150 Pro tire inflator. Calls and read and anything, contact. Just doing a quick unboxing. This will be perfect for my car because you know how, especially temperature changes, your air pressure changes in your car tires. Or if I find somebody who needs a tire blowing up on the side of the road. Let's open this up and look. Like I said, it's a AP150 Pro tire inflator. Size of my hand. The box is. Pause and read if you want. So let's open this up and see. I don't think it will pump up semi tires, but it might. Let's look. All right, this is just coming out of the box for the first time. It's the tire inflator itself. Will fit perfect in a glove box. It comes with the cord to screw in, a charger, a carrying bag. Very nice carrying bag. All right, here is the instructions. A tire, it goes up to 150 psi, which you probably could do a semi tire. I don't think I would push it that hard. But you connect to the nozzle, choose the mode, press the power button, and it will start inflated, and it will stop to whatever. Pause and read. But like I said, it's very simple. It does have a charger already. Fully charged out of a box. Let's put the airline back on. All right, I have the tire inflator on. I read the instructions. You push and hold the power button. Gives you an option between car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, beach ball, or I'm not exactly sure what that feature is. Custom, I think. You just push the button. Not that loud. All right, I changed the tip, so if you just want to blow some of the dust and stuff away, changes colors for each one. All right, I put the air nozzle, just the air nozzle on if you want to like blow up a beach ball, etc. Press and hold it. Like I said, the instruction says it goes up to 150 PSI. I don't believe I would try to do it on a semi-tire. Most of my tires have tire inflation. My drives, my trailers. Only ones I do not have tire inflation on is my steers. But this is not that big. Weighs probably 3 pounds, 2.5, 3 pounds. Got that great carrying case. The tips in case you go to the beach, the lake, you want to blow up a beach ball, you got to blow up a bicycle tire. Or if I come home and my tire's flat because the temperature changed and my tires go down and I get that little tire light come on your car, and then you have to try to find some place to pay $1 for 3 minutes of air, I got air right here. Check out Gooloo. I will have a link down below. They do sell tire pressure machines like this, battery jumpers, and other stuff. Like I said, you use my link, I might get a couple pennies on the sale. They have sales all the time. Check them out for your air, battery, etc. needs. Thank you, Gooloo, for sending this out. Sorry I didn't get this video done sooner. I didn't get it one before I left out last, and I've been sick this last week, and you still hear it. Thank you all. If you're all new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thumb up the video. Do you have any Gooloo products? Are you going to look at Gooloo products? Link will be in the description down below. Now, I might go online myself because they get a good spring sale going on right now. Like I said, they always have sales. Use my own affiliate link and get me a tire booster. Because in the truck, I need one. There's times I pick up refrigerated units, tractor trailer, there are my trailers, and the battery on the reefer is dead. It will not start. A lot of times once you get it to start, it'll keep running, it'll charge the battery up. I've had to wait hours before for Loves or whoever to come out and change a battery on the reefer unit because it shut off and I could not start it. I don't want to carry jumper cables because the jumper post on my Freightliner is at my hood, under my hood, and I had to climb up on a catwalk to get to the battery on the trailer. So I might go online and buy me one. Let's see what kind of sales I can get. But check out the description down below. Use that affiliate link if you buy any Gooloo products. Thank you for watching.